Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Masih di channel Mana Nasional K-9. Hari ini gua posisi sedang di gantangan di Pebayuran ya. Ini baru launching, jadi masih pembukaan. Mudah-mudahan kedepannya bisa rame. Ya, kita lihat pertikara seperti apa. Nih udah mulai mau prepare guys. Gantangan di Pebayuran ini baru
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make.
guys, lokasinya di Karanghaur, Pebayuran, Bekasi.
ya, masih ekspektasi, mohon maaf 13.
Panitia masih menilai nih mana yang menang mana yang kalah. Leci. Leci mah burung murai.
Piaranya CTP, mulai mah.
Penghargaan juga penghargaan. Nih, bos. Sekarang di kelas leci dulu. Tadi kelas rujukan, sekarang di kelas leci.
Yo masuk, bagi-bagi. Lalu untuk para Kicaumania dan lambat manianya dan penari manianya yang belum daftar, yuk kita tunggu.
Ayo kelas leci, kelas leci.
Setelah penilaian, kita mainkan di kelas kacer di tiket 40.000.
Bapak panitia dengan Pak siapa?
Topik.
Wah, Pak Taufik. Wah, mantap. Ini ada si Teteh.
Kalau 26 ada teh. Nanti masukinnya 13.
Sini nih pialanya ini. Waduh. Pebayuran biar makin maju, makin sukses perkembangannya, makin terkenal, makin rame. Lumayan sih ini.